Sage, director, you need to be quiet on set or you're gonna get kicked off. This is my audience. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikole. In case you're new here, hello. I'm a new mom of a now 6-month-old. Her name is Sage, and I've been doing a lot of mommy videos, but today we're doing food. We're gonna start with breakfast because even as a new mom working full-time still, breakfast is always a priority for me. I wake up extremely hungry from breastfeeding all the time, and eating a healthy, nourishing breakfast is what I need to start my day with on a good note, to feel my best, and just give me sustained energy throughout the entire day. So I'm gonna be talking about 4 super easy, like 10-minute breakfast recipes that I eat every single week. I alternate between these. They're delicious and they're really easy to make. But before we hop in, make sure you are subscribed, join the HealthNut community, click that red subscribe button down below. It's totally free, and I post videos here every single Wednesday and Friday. So if you're excited, hit that thumbs up button for more recipe videos, and let's hop right into the video. First recipe, of course, no surprise, a green smoothie. It's funny, my sister messaged me the other day and literally said, I don't know how you can drink those every day. I don't know, they're just, they look the same, but they taste different. I always like to switch it up and stuff, but this one is one of my favorites. It's actually from my cookbook. It's the Pineapple Green Dream Smoothie. That's me, all happy making it. And it's super simple, it's nourishing, it's super hydrating, and it has frozen pineapple in it, which is really delicious. It kind of tastes like candy. It's really good. And there's cucumber, greens. The only change I made is I'm actually not adding fresh mint. I read somewhere that you're kind of supposed to avoid mint when you're breastfeeding. So just to be safe, I just swapped it with flaxseed, ground flax, which is good for breast milk production. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger because I just like the flavor, so it will kind of replace the mint. But it's really yummy and it takes 2 seconds to make. Let's get blending and I'll show you guys how easy it is to make a green smoothie. There you have it. Breakfast number 1 is done. You can make it with one hand while you got baby in the other, or if you are just trying to multitask, it's really easy, it's delicious. You can also add in a scoop of some vanilla protein powder. I love a plant-based one. If you wanna do that, I know some people don't like protein powder, but that's also a great option just to get in that extra protein. But veggies and fruit also have protein, and the flaxseed also gives it a nice fiber boost as well. And that's what I love about my cookbook. There's like different add-ins that you can add into each smoothie. You don't have to just make it as is, depending on how you want to boost it up. So let's make breakfast number 2. Delicious. Breakfast number 2 is a yogurt and granola parfait bowl. I know, really easy, but it's all about what you top it with and the base, which is the granola. And you wanna make it from home. If you can't find a good quality one at the grocery store, a lot of them have so much sugar in them. Like, they just have a list of ingredients, basically turns it into like sugary cereal. So I just make it at home. It takes 2 seconds. I double batched my simple granola recipe from the blog. It's an oldie but a goodie. And you can easily swap it up with whatever you have on hand. Instead of nut butter, I used tahini, and I didn't have any dried fruit, so I just took it out. And it's delicious. You can make a big batch, like I said. It stores for a long time, and it's a great addition to a yogurt bowl. So I have some sheep yogurt here. I got a mixture of some fruit. I got kiwi, strawberries, and a delicious juicy mango that I'm gonna cut up, and we're just gonna assemble it, and it's gonna be ready in less than 10 minutes. All you gotta do is pre-make your granola on a Sunday afternoon. I did this the other day when it was raining, and it was the perfect activity to just like warm up the house. So highly recommend making some homemade granola. It's really good. Okay, let's go. I love this because you can use any yogurt you want, you can use any fruit you want. If I only have banana on here, that works. Sometimes I'll do a little bit of fresh chia seeds, or you can just add dried fruit as well if you don't have any fresh. And for yogurt, I used sheep, but you could do a dairy-free one. Sheep is just like an easier to digest one compared to like regular dairy. It's delicious, it's easy, it's colorful, it's fun, and it tastes really good. So another great breakfast option. Really good. This next one is kind of basic, but a little leveled up. We're doing peanut butter and jelly. Matt and I have been on a huge jam kick lately. I'm kind of one of those people, when I'm into something, I eat it non-stop, and I just have like mega cravings even before being pregnant. So I made some delicious homemade strawberry chia jam. It's so easy. It takes about 15 minutes in total to make. You can store it in the fridge, and even when you're cooking it, it smells like candy. So in a pot, I just added some frozen strawberries with a little bit of water. I let that boil for a little bit, and then I add in, for sweetness, some maple syrup, vanilla, let that cook for a little bit more, mash it down really good with a metal whisk, and then you just finish it off with chia seeds and lemon juice and let it just cool a little bit, pop it in the fridge. I'm gonna have a full blog post on how to make it, linked down below. Definitely check it out for all the measurements. But I'm telling you, it smells like candy when you're making it. Even before you put any of the sweetener in, the strawberries, get frozen organic strawberries, thank me later. So I have the homemade chia jam ready to go. I have some good quality peanut butter. You can use really any nut butter. Almond butter works really well. Sage is talking, she's trying to go down for a nap, but it's not happening. And then for bread, I just have some seedy sliced bread here. A lot of people ask me what kind of bread I like. Honestly, the seedier, the better. I switch it up all the time. I love sourdough as well. Sometimes we get gluten-free bread. Cashew is whining because she smells the peanut butter. Sometimes I do gluten-free. I just switch it up. I usually do like a low gluten diet. I hate that word, but you know what I mean. Yeah, so we're gonna toast up the bread, slather on our toppings, and you have breakfast ready to go. I mean, it's kind of a childhood favorite, leveled up. Oh, she's screaming. Okay, let's make some toast. Delicious. Okay, there you have it. Adult style peanut butter and jelly toast. Whoever thought of that combination, genius. Now this next one, thanks to my sister Chloe, she's gotten me hooked on hard-boiled eggs. They're actually perfect for me right now because I can just quickly boil them up. I like to cook my hard-boiled eggs starting in boiling water because I feel like you can time it better so you don't overcook it. I actually have a full blog post on, I think, 10 different ways to cook eggs, and there's a little chart, a little guide for how to do boiled eggs. I do mine for 10 minutes in boiling water, and it is the perfect amount of time. They turn out just right every single time I make them. They don't have that gray ring around the yolk, which I hate. It just ruins the taste of your eggs, and they get that really like sulfur smell when you crack into them. So 10 minutes boiling water, in my personal opinion, it's the perfect amount of time for hard-boiled eggs. So I like to, in addition to hard-boiled eggs, if I'm not just eating it like this, sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, that's my breakfast. I like sprinkle some salt on it and I'm just eating it like this. Matt thinks I'm so weird. Or I will, if I have extra time, I will smash some avocado on toast and put the hard-boiled egg sliced on top. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a little fancy for you guys, but I mean, if you're really in a rush, you just get a spoon, you spoon out the avocado, you eat the egg, and that is, oh look, it fits. There you go. You don't even need the toast. But honestly, like that could work. All right, let's assemble. there you have it, a hard-boiled egg style avocado toast. Honestly, this is as fancy as my breakfasts get these days. This is also a great lunch. You got your protein, your healthy fats, your carbs. It's even nice if you drizzle some olive oil on top if you want to get fancy. And yeah, it's delicious. And like I said, a lot of times I just eat the hard-boiled eggs as is with a side of avocado toast, if you have to. There you have it, 4 super easy and delicious 10-minute breakfast ideas for a busy mom, or just really anyone will enjoy these recipes. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the recipe blog post. I'll link that down below for the strawberry chia jam. It's delicious, also really easy to make. And I'm also gonna link down below my free how to make the perfect green smoothie guide for you guys to check out as well. Thank you for watching, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.